Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. I'm glad to come your way again. I have been offline for some times now. I've not been making videos just because my voice is not clear enough. But today I would like to share this particular strategy with you. It is a profitable forex strategy, just combined with only 2 indicators alone. Kindly make sure you follow me closely. I'm going to show you the setting for these particular indicators and how to use it. Now let's dive in. Now, let me show you how to use this particular strategy now. You can use it on any time frame that you want to use it on. And right now, I am on 15-minute time frame. You might combine 2 time frames together, and you might use it only on 1 time frame alone. And here is it on the 1 hour time frame. And if you check it closely, let me demarcate where we have this signal on the 1 hour, and let me go back to 15 minutes to check. And here you can see the demarcated line on the 15-minute time frame at this particular point. Now, how to use this is this. One, you see this blue line. This shows us the end of the trend. Give us signal. This blue give us signal for a buy, and the red here give us signal for a sell. And if you look back a bit, you will see where this red or blue change to red at the same point. Let me check 1 hour time frame and look for this let's check this 15 minutes. Okay, not on this pair, but I'm going to show you on the Euro USD also. We are going to check few pairs together and see how this particular strategy works. So this is how I use this particular strategy. Once you see this red, now the only thing you should look out for is sell signal from the other indicator. So at this particular point, we have a sell signal here generated by the second indicator here, by this arrow, by BB Banks indicator. But at this point, we do not have this under the remaining indicator, this second indicator, this buy sell indicator. And what you are going to do is to wait for it, and then once you see this particular line giving us this red color, what it means that the only signal you should consider is sell, and that's why this is a good point to enter sell, and stop loss just few pips above this BB bands or above the previous high before this signal was generated. So this blue arrow will be neglected because it's against this buy sell indicator. And here is another one. We have blue direct color here giving us to place order for buy, but we are not going to enter that trade because the second indicator is still pointing down. You have a down signal, but when you wait a few minutes or hours later, we have the second indicator confirming the direction of this particular trend. So at this point, I place my place order for a buy, and as you can see, it's going up gradually, and you can see where I put my stop loss. Yes, my stop loss and my take profit. So this is how to use this particular strategy. And if you move back a bit to confirm this upward trend, now at this point we have this upward trend here. Everything was in agreement. The two indicators, we have the arrow and we have this giving us a buy signal. So you can place your trade here and stop loss will be below the previous low or behind or below this particular blue buy and sell indicator. So you are not going to take the sell signal, we only take the buy signal as long as we have this blue line giving us signal for a buy. So here we enter another one for another buy here, another buy here, another buy here. So if you look at it closely, we have like 1 2 3 4 5 signal in the direction of the main trend. So this deliver well because we are not trading against the trend. So you are not going to take every trade that is against the trend. We are not going to take this will not be taken, this trade will not be taken, this will not be taken, this will not be taken, and this will not be taken also. And if you look at it closely, they didn't deliver every signal against this trend didn't deliver. They ended up in loss. So this is how to use this particular strategy. Now here is it on another time frame or another pairs also. The first one I show you was a US30 and this is US500, and you can see I placed order for a buy here also because it was in agreement with the main trend here. You wait for it and then you place your trade, and the stop loss just few pips below this blue line for a buy. And this is how to use this particular strategy. Let's check Euro USD also. Now here is it on the Euro USD. Now you can see it clearly on the 15 minute. This is on 15 minutes. We have a sell signal generated from here, and so the only trade you'll be taking, the first trade will be triggered here. The first trade sell, then this one you are not going to take it because it's against the trend. And here again we have another sell. Here again we have another sell. As long as this red line remain, you are going to take a sell trade and forget about the buy. So this is how to use this particular strategy. You can use it on any time frame you want. The other time I was trying to tell you that this particular line we can change to from blue to red, and you can see it at this particular point. Formerly it was blue here, so at this point it changed to red. Here is it red, and then we have here also red also. So at this point, once it's changed to red, you will no longer take a buy signal and wait for a sell signal. So at this point we have that sell signal here, and we have another one here in the direction of this particular indicator, and here we have our buy. Both indicator agree at this point, so stop loss 50 pips below the previous low, and here you take another buy. And this is how to use this particular strategy. You keep on taking the buy and forget about the sell signal because it's against the trend. And here we have the sell signal generated here. So this is how to use this particular strategy. You can use it on any time frame you want, or you can combine the two time frame together. Here is it on 1 hour, here is it on 1 hour, and here is it on 5 minute time frame. So this is how to use this particular strategy. It is accurate. Make sure you test it out on your demo account before you go live with this particular strategy. Make sure you are familiar with it before you use it. So it is simple, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Like my video and chat me up on my Telegram group. My website is up for now. I'm still working on it. So if you need this indicator, make sure you chat me up on my Telegram group. Now let me show you the setup for this particular indicator, since this is not the default setting for this indicator. So the BB band stop indicator, I use a 22 1.01 1000. Then sound, if you want the sound, you can turn it on or off. So this is how to set it up. The length is 20, deviation is 2, money risk is 1.0, signal is 1, line is 1, and end bar is 1000. So the color can change to any color you want, but this is the color I use so that it will be in agreement with the main trend. We have the blue for buy and the blue arrow also for a buy, and then we have a decreasing for sell signal. Once you set it up, just click OK. And the second indicator is this buy sell indicator. So the value, here's the value, the risk is 8. The candle time frame is 240, which means that will be 4 hours. Then alert on, I turn it off. So if you want to turn it on, you can do that. And here, this is where you change the color. The buy color is blue and the sell is red. Once you've done that, kindly click OK, and you are good. So this is how to use this particular strategy. It is accurate. Make sure you test it out and make sure you trade according to the rule, and make sure you follow money management. I've seen a lot of people losing their money in their account because they are greedy, want to make a high return within the shortest time. Make sure you follow money management. Forex trading is not a gamble, a game you can gamble with. Make sure you do your analysis and follow your analysis. Make sure you trade what you see and not what you imagine or what you think the market is going to do. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.